welcome back to my channel. So here I am, off on another camping trip. This time I'm doing southern Vancouver Island. It was a little chilly when I started out this morning. It was only 1.5 degrees when I left to go to the ferry. But now that I'm getting close to Victoria, we're at 9.5 degrees now, so that's way better. So I'm going to start off today by heading to Victoria, and I'm going to look for a landmark of mile 0 on Highway 1, the TransCanada Highway. Then after that, I'm going to start going up the west coast on Highway 14. Now I'm going to go see what we can find, and then look for a camp spot at the end of the day. Well, let's go for a ride. So we're now at Beacon Hill Park in the center of Victoria. And I think it's somewhere near the end of this road where there's a marker for mile 0 of the TransCanada Highway. And it was just over a year ago that we were at mile marker 0 on Highway 1 in Florida, down at Key West. But it'll be kind of neat to be at mile 0 on both Highway 1s, roughly about a year apart. Well, the cherry blossoms are just starting to come out. About another week, maybe 2 weeks from now, they'll be in full bloom. And that's a pretty neat sight to see. Well, there's the ocean straight ahead, and on the other side, that's the Olympia mountain range in Washington. There we go, there's mile 0. So this is mile 0 of the TransCanada Highway. There's the marker right behind me. So this highway is 7,821 kilometers long. So it starts in Victoria, or I say it starts in Victoria because that's where I am. And then it ends on the east coast of Canada. And it's one road that's 7,821 kilometers long. I don't think I'll do that this year. So we're on Government Street here in downtown Victoria, just approaching the waterfront. And there's the Parliament building right there. And then on the right, that's the Empress Hotel. I remember that hotel used to be covered in ivy. It was actually the very first place that me and my wife went to on the first holiday we ever took together. So we're in the community of Colwood now, and there's a little waterfront section that's pretty cool. I've been here before, and it's a stretch of road between the Esquimalt Lagoon and the Strait and the Colwood waterfront, and they got artists that put these sculptures there made of bark and driftwood, and there's all the driftwood to sit on. So I got myself some lunch from the local Tim Hortons, and I thought I'd stop for a little bit of a break. going to leave Colwood now and start making my way west. Here probably about 6 or 7 weeks ago, and I did a trail walk that day while I was here, and what a gorgeous little park. And you do this trail walk right along the ocean there. I think it's the Strait of Juan de Fuca, and there's so many lookout points, and I'm not going to go on the hike today, but if you're interested, just take a look at the link that I'll put above here where I did the trail walk, and there was a pretty cool little archaeological thing, or I can't remember what it was, right at the end. That's what it is there, the petroglyphs. Right at the end of that trail walk that I did. here's the campground board. First come, first serve. 26 bucks a night, maximum 4 people. COVID-19 tracing forms to fill out. And that's what the campground looks like. Well, let's go take a ride around and see what's available. Here's where I'm camping tonight at French Beach. So I've got it all set up and it's a beautiful, beautiful day. So hopefully it doesn't get too cold tonight. That's the way it goes when you camp in March, right? Well, here we are at French Beach. I just set up camp, so before the sun sets, I thought I'd come and see what the beach is like. A little windy out here right now, so I don't know how it works with this mic. But it's just a gorgeous beach here. Well, whenever I get to the ocean, I gotta dip my boot in the water. Get some Pacific water on the boot. Well, I made it here to French Beach, and this is where I'm camping out tonight. And the video today was mainly on riding the roads on South and Western Vancouver Island. So that's my kind of entertainment, those kind of roads. I just love it. Hopefully you like the video and press the like button and give me some feedback. That would be awesome. I really appreciate some of the feedback that I do get.